going on, guys? Appreciate everybody joining up tonight. These boxes are definitely fun. Shooting for those autos. And for those of you who do not know, we do have a bonus hanger box we're going to pop open at the end. And that goes out to everybody, so try to throw in the bonuses as much as I can. We'll get started in a minute here. Let everybody join up if they can. Five autos. Man, these are fun. Bonus hanger box. Maybe we'll get something in there as well. All right, guys, let's start popping her open. Oh, good luck, guys. $13 cards a pack. Oh, that was not a good sound. Styrofoam. All right, guys. Good luck. Let's get started on the Jumbo Hobby Box. 5 autos in a box. I'm ready. Jack Flaherty. Jose Abreu. Robbie Ray. Max Muncy. We got a Future Stars. Mitch Keller. Refractor. No, we got a die cut. Mark McGwire. And refractor to the A's. Seth Brown. Nice. First refractor's a rookie. I like that. Got Rhys Hoskins, 85. Zach Collins, rookie. It's got a little dent right there. Pat Corbin. Anthony Kay, rookie. Trey Turner and another rookie, A.J. Puck. Not bad. Jake Rogers, new guy in Detroit. Noah Syndergaard. Domingo Leyba, rookie in Arizona. Chris Paddock, Travis Demeritte, rookie. Ooh, looks like we got an orange refractor. Boom. Future Stars, Austin Riley. Orange refractor autograph. That is sick. 18 out of 25. There you go, Braves. That is awesome. Gratterall, refractor rookie. Gavin Lux for the 85. That's sick. Paul DeJong. Moncada. Ketel Marte. Walker Buehler. And Shohei Ohtani. Man, way to go, Atlanta. Mike Trout. That's a good one. Austin Meadows. Armenteros for Houston. Ronald Guzman. We got Nick Solak, rookie. Armenteros. Rookie auto. Base. We got a refractor, Michael Conforto. Prism refractor, Gene Segura. Vogelbach. Yordan Alvarez. Base rookie. That's nice. Carlos Santana. Semien. And Xander Bogaerts. Get the Alvarez and the Armenteros sleeved up. Two autos in a row. Colin Moran, Alex Bregman, Benintendi, Ozzie Albies, Matt Boyd. We got a freshman flash, Gavin Lux. It's hard to tell if those are colored or not, parallel-wise. Javi Baez, refractor. Willy Adames for the Prism. Nice. Luis Robert, base, rookie. There you go, Chicago. Chris Archer. We got a Brock Burke, rookie. Texas. And VR. Got a Robert. Eric Hosmer. Logan Allen, rookie. Jeff McNeil. Zach Gallen, rookie. We got a future stars. Mike Tauschman. To the Yankees. Ooh, negative refractor rookie. Alex Young. Those are nice. We got a refractor. Miggy. To the Tigers. 85, Eloy Jimenez. Acuna Jr. Whit Merrifield. Orlando Arcia. Luis Arias. And Kyle Schwarber. Giolito. Archie Bradley. George Springer. JD Martinez. We got a future stars. Fernando Tatis. Nice. Ichiro for our die cut. What do we got? Refractor. Kyle Schwarber. '85, Luis Robert. Nice. There you go, White Sox. Biggio. Raisel Iglesias. Sam Hillard, rookie. There you go, Colorado. Michael Fulmer. And Charlie Blackmon. Miguel Rojas. Dustin May, rookie. Boom. Ozzie Smith. To the Padres. Game used bat. That is sick. Rookie reprint. Game used relic. Kyle Lewis. Freshman Flash. That's awesome. John Means. Refractor. German Marquez. Prism Refractor. Urshela. Kershaw. Brandon Crawford. Gurriel Jr. And Hunter Dozier. Let's see if I got thicker top loader down here. I do. I have one. We're in luck. That's a nice. I love the relics. That's sick. Way to go, Padres. Austin Nola, rookie. Joey Gallo. Bobby Bradley. Here you go, Indians. Sin-Soo Choo. We got a Future Stars. Pete Alonso. Freshman Flash. Isan Diaz. I like that kid. Mike Trout refractor. Nice. That's sick. Rowdy Tellez for the Prism. Jose Altuve. Trevor Story. We got an Ian Desmond. Back-to-back Rockies there. Luis Urias and Mookie Betts. Go Angels. Only 2 autographs so far. 4 packs left. We need 3 more autographs to hit 5. Oscar Mercado. Junior Fernandez, rookie. Brian Reynolds. Justin Verlander. Gleyber Torres. Refractor, Jake Rogers, rookie refractor auto. There you go, Tigers. You got a refractor, Mike Soroka. 85, Juan Soto. Michael Baez, rookie. To the Padres. Aaron Nola. Yamamoto, rookie. Santander and Andres Munoz. There you go, Detroit. That's sick. Jake Rogers, refractor auto. I like it. Abraham Toro, rookie. Rhys Hoskins. Justin Dunn, rookie. Seattle. Carter Kieboom. Kyle Lewis. Nice. Forgot the Dunn and Lewis. They always come together. Here we go. Green Wave. Buster Posey. Nice. That's sick. Refractor, Jose Urena. The Posey's numbered 34 out of 99. There you go, Giants. 85, Jesus Luzardo. You got Arenado. Correa. And Drelton Simmons. Bryce Harper and German Marquez. It's a nice Posey. We should have an auto in both of these packs, I believe. Yastrzemski, Trent Grisham. There you go, Padres. Jacob deGrom. Sean Murphy. Rookie in Oakland. Hanser Alberto. There we go. Colin Posh, rookie. Base auto. To the Rays. Mauricio Dubon. Refractor auto. Or refractor rookie. Sorry. Matt Thias. Prism refractor. There we go. Couple refractor rookies. I like that. Juan Soto. Robel Garcia rookie. Pablo Lopez, nice. Bo Bichette. And Jeff Samardzija. Rays with the 4th auto. We got one more. We should have one more. That pack right there. I like the Dubon refractor rookie. That's nice. And a Bo Bichette we pulled there. Here we go. Last pack, guys. Minus the bonus. We do have a bonus hanger box tonight. Mitch Haniger. Gavin Lux, rookie. Francisco Lindor. Adbert Alzolay. Rookie in Chicago. Pete Alonso. Alex Young. Base auto rookie to the Diamondbacks. There we go. Tanaka refractor. And a prism refractor. Logan Webb. Rookie in San Francisco. That's nice. Willy Adames. Rowdy Tellez. Adalberto Mondesi. Dansby Swanson. And Victor Reyes. And we'll hop on over to that bonus hanger box here once I get these sleeved up. We hit all of our good autos in the beginning. But at least we got all 5 of them. And here we go. Bonus hanger box. 2020. Topps Series 2. We pulled a pink rookie in our last hanger box that we had here. And those are numbered to 50. So our last one was pretty good. Well, you guys will take the free cards. Never know. Old flipperoo here. Brault Walker. Porcello Nimmo. Looking for those rookies. There's an Isan Diaz on the Marlins card there. Manny Pena. Joe Musgrove. Marcelo Zuna. Miguel Sano. Salvador Perez. Mark Canha. Will Myers. Kevin Newman. There we go, our first rookie. Brian O'Grady. There you go, Rays. Garrett Cole, Adam Duvall. There we go. John Birdie. Rookie. Jake Fraley, rookie. It's not bad, that one. Dakota Hudson, future stars. Cespedes. Daniel Norris. There we go. James Marvel, rookie. Pittsburgh. Tuivelala. Rowan Wick. Two former Cardinals. And there we go. There you go, White Sox. With another Robert in the bonus. I like it. That one looks nice, too. Cole Tucker. Josh Stallmont. Rookie in Kansas City. Chris Shaw. Pedro Severino. Corey Kluber. Pedroia Mazara. Logan Webb, rookie. Just had his Prism Refractor rookie in one of our last packs there. There's a Pujols. Here we go. Babe Ruth. Turkey Red Chrome. Nice. That's sick. There you go, Yankees. We got a Topps Gold. Jose Abreu. More for the White Sox. That's sweet. Numbered 1231 out of 220 on the Gold Abreu. Got the Pete Alonso parallels. Roberto Clemente, Warriors of the Diamond. Got an 85, Corey Seager. And we got some Turkey Reds back here. Lou Gehrig. Another one going to the Yankees. Gratterall, rookie. Ozzie Smith to the Cardinals on that one. And Stan Musial. Awesome, guys. Appreciate everybody's time tonight. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Got some decent pulls in that one tonight. Those jumbo boxes are pretty fun. Need to try to get some more of those for you guys. We do have the weekend off, but we're coming back with some baseball all next week, so getting ready for spring training start. Check us out on eBay, guys. Breaking some more, so we'll see you guys again. Have a good night.